Good evening. Welcome to Harjot Kaur Decor Stylists. Today we are going to talk about how to make a small room look larger. Today we all face this problem where we live in smaller rooms and congested spaces, and we'll always want, typically in this monsoon and in this high moisture weather, we'll always want to look our space look larger. So what to do? I'll take you through 10 points where I'll talk about how to make smaller rooms appear larger. So the first thing you can do about it is always have light colors in your room. The walls, the decor, the furniture has to have light colors. Look at this picture. The wall is white. Even if the furniture is dark, this room will look large because lighter colors make your walls appear farther than they are. You'll always look, even in nature, आप ये notice करेंगे कि when things are farther, they are lighter in color. When you look at mountains, mountains appear light blue when they are very far. As they come nearer, they look dark blue and then dark blue and then they look brown. So whenever you use lighter colors, they make things look farther. Same goes for the ceiling. You always use white ceiling. When I'm talking about light colors, I'm not talking only about white. It's not necessary you use only white colors in your rooms. Take a color, let's say green, take a color, add white, and use that as a wall. Even if you're highlighting a wall, use light colors. Second point we talk about is there has to be no contrast in the color. This picture that you're looking on your screen, this has a green wall and it has a green wall decor on the wall. The colors are in sync, they are not in contrast. So green on green is a monochrome theme that you're looking at. The decor condition, the decor element is also fulfilled. You also have ornamental decoration on your wall. Plus, your room will not look smaller because they are the same color. So one does not jar out of the wall. So it looks in sync with the wall. So the distance between you and the wall stays the same, yet your wall is decorated. This kind of decor makes your room look larger. The third thing we are going to talk about is the size of the back of the sofa or the size of the headboard of your bed. The size means the height. The height. Look at this picture. The back of the sofa is low and the seating of the sofa is also low. This makes the background wall appear higher. There's more amount of wall that you can see, and the distance between the headboard, the back of the sofa, and the ceiling is more. So you see more of the wall in the background. This gives you an illusion of a taller room. So if your ceilings go higher, your room automatically will look larger. The fourth point, the fourth thing that you can do is use chandeliers or lighting which are high up the ceiling. If you use hanging chandeliers instead of this kind of a lighting or a chandelier, what happens is that the illusion of your ceiling comes down, which means you'll feel that the ceiling is much more lower. This gives a congested space, a congested look to your space. This picture that you just saw, what is happening? The ceiling is looking higher because the lighting is nearer to the ceiling. So the distance between the wall, the floor and the ceiling is more. So it gives you illusion of more space. The fifth thing that you can do is use large scale art. If you want to use art on one wall, ensure that it is a large piece. There are not many smaller pieces on the wall. So the main wall is not congested. If it's large, it will give feeling of a grand wall. Plus, whenever you using any decor pieces in your home, in your room, which is smaller, make sure that it is tall in measurement and not broad in measurement. If your decor pieces are taller in measurement, They also give you an illusion of a tall room. This is the fifth point. The sixth thing that you can do is use large mirrors in your room. The picture that you see on the screen is a plain wall and there's a big mirror in front of it. So we ask our client, when somebody enters your room will look double the space. Why? Because the light that bounces off the mirror gives you an illusion of double space. So this is typically used in corridors, in smaller restrooms, in hallways that are narrow. One wall, if you do completely of mirror, or both walls, if you do completely of mirror, it is going to broaden the hallway 4 times. So, mirrors are always a good thing. And the larger the mirror, the more space the mirror covers on the wall, the more illusion of a larger room it's going to give to you. The seventh thing that you can do is use smaller rugs instead of a wall to wall carpet or one carpet under all the pieces of furniture. So this is a boho setting we did for a client last month. What we did is we used a smaller rug under the trunk, and then there's a floor seating that you can see. Consider that, if we consider that also as a rug, so what's happening, there are 3 rugs in the room and there are 3 separate areas defined. One you can see behind the trunk, which is maroon, one as a mattress, and one under the trunk. So this gives you an illusion of different corners and different spaces in the room. So what happens? Your room appears larger because it has a large number of well-defined corners. So this picture had 3 well-defined floor areas, which makes your room look larger. The next thing you can do is use furniture with sleek lines, with straight lines, with geometrical patterns, and lesser of ornamentation. Ornamentation means lesser of carving, lesser of lots of flowers, lesser of lots of curved lines. So what happens? This table that you're looking for, we designed it for a farmhouse, which had a comparatively smaller rooms and not as large as a farmhouse should have. So this table specifically has sleek lines and it's narrow. So you get a feeling that it's inside the wall. It's very stuck to the wall. Another point I want to mention here is whenever you place furniture in your room, make sure that it is against the wall. Make sure that there's lots of traffic between spaces where your furniture is, and there's no space behind the furniture and between the wall. Why? Because that space has no functional value, and when you enter the room you'll feel that there's no space to walk around. If you have larger space to walk around, you'll feel that the room is bigger. The ninth thing that you can do is have lots of small uh, area lights in the room. This ceiling that I've shown you here has a main light which is on the left of the ceiling, which is a tube light, and then there you can see a shade on the right of the screen, and then you can also see a chandelier in that darker corner in front of the air conditioner and in front of the wardrobe. So if we didn't have that last chandelier that we have, that corner would have looked dark, and your room, the look of your room would have stopped at this beam. So adding that chandelier has made your room look illuminated and look, you can look at the complete room, which means now you can look at all the corners of the room. So the look of the room enhances and it gives you a wider range of vision from your eyes, which means when somebody enters my room and when I have all these lights on, my room will look larger because the visitor can look at all the corners of the room at one go. The last thing that you can do to make a room look larger and make your windows look higher and larger is you put floor length curtains. Even if your window is small, even if your window ends halfway, even if you have a single panel window, still what you do is you hang your curtains at least 1.5 feet higher than where your window starts. So what will happen? If you have your ceiling here and then if you have your window here, make sure that your rod is at least 1.5 feet higher than from where the window starts. So what will happen when you look at that window, one will feel that the window starts from where the curtain start and it ends where the curtain ends. So this gives an illusion of a higher window, a larger window, and larger windows are always present in larger rooms. So when you style your home and when you want a smaller room to look larger, these are the 10 things I'm going to walk you once again through all the 10 points. The first stands at use very light colors. Even if you're using colors, use lighter shades of colors for the highlight wall. The second thing, do not use dark contrast. Try to sync or to monochrome your theme. The third is use smaller pieces of furniture and push your furniture against the wall. Fourth is use broad chandeliers and chandeliers that are closer to the ceiling rather than hanging chandeliers. The fifth, use large scale of art and use decor items that are taller in height rather than broader in shape. Um, the sixth thing is use large mirrors so it reflects light and your rooms look double the space. The seventh, use smaller rugs to define areas rather than one carpet or one wall-to-wall carpet that covers your entire room. Eighth, ensure there's less ornamentation in your furniture designs and your furniture is sleek and geometrical. Ninth, use lots of task lighting, lots of area lighting rather than only one general lighting in the room. Last but not the least, use tall and higher hanging curtains than your window. That's all for today. Join us next Friday for more home consultations, for more home styling tips. We undertake all kinds of home furnishings, customized home furnishings, and we also take up projects of upcycling and repair and restoration of furniture and your furnishing items. Please connect with us for any of your home furnishings, home customization, and upcycling requirements. Thank you. This is Harjot Kaur on Harjot Kaur Decor Stylist. Share and like our page.